Let us solve the question using brackets. Look at the brackets here. The order of removing the brackets is first line bracket or vinculum, and then small brackets or parentheses, next flower brackets or curly braces, next square brackets. This is the order of removing the brackets. Look into this problem. 25 plus of square bracket of, we have to simplify this, 12 minus 6, 6, and then times 2, bracket close. That is equal to 25 plus of 6 times 2 is 12. So I have simplified this bracket, you can take off that. So here 25 plus 12 is 37. That's the answer. I have brought one more example. Look into this example. There are two brackets are there. We have to simplify bracket according to the BODMAS rule, and then inside we have to solve if any exponents are there. So let's solve the exponent thing here. So that is equal to bracket of 3 times of, we need to simplify 5 square and 2 square. So 5 square is 25 and then divided by 15 as it is, and then minus bracket of 5 minus 2 square is 4. So in two brackets I have simplified the exponents, and then I'll follow division and multiplication pattern left to right. Look at the first bracket. I have seen multiplication first, so I'll multiply 3 and 25. 3 times of 25 is 75 divided by 15. Put this in brackets. Minus, you can simplify this bracket as the bracket comes first, right? So whatever the operation inside the bracket, you have to solve it. So 5 minus 4 is 1. That is equal to 75 divided by 15, which is 5 minus 1. So the answer is 4. In this problem, there are two brackets are given. Let's solve that. This is equal to square bracket of 37 minus 3 times of 7 plus 2 is 9. So you can also directly you can write 3 of 9 or 3 times of 9, and then bracket close divided by 5 plus 11. Don't add 5 and 11 here. Now next step, that is equal to 37 minus, as I said, 3 of 9 or 3 times of 9, 27, bracket close divided by 5 plus 11. Here if you simplify this bracket, 37 minus 27 is 10 divided by 5 plus 11. So 10 divides 5, since we have to do division first, right? So division, 10 divides 5 is 2 plus 11, 13 is the answer. In this example, I have brought all the brackets. Let us start from this bracket, that is line bracket, which is 4 times 2. Let's begin the problem. 18 minus bracket of 8 divided by 2, and then flower bracket, 8 divided by 4 times 2 is 8, and then flower bracket, and then square bracket. So in a test stitch you can remove the small bracket at the same time of vinculum. Next 18 minus 8 divided by 2. Here 8 divides 8. In flower bracket you can say this operation, 8 divides 8 is 1 actually. So 2 times of 1 you can write, and then square bracket. 18 minus square bracket of, we have to go with division first, as division and multiplication both are given. So when I go left to right, I can see division first. 8 divides 2 is 4 times 1. So 18 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 18 minus 4 is 14. Hope you understand the concept. So you can see more videos in Ytshorts as well. Thanks for watching.